Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be covering some of the basic stitches in crochet. I will be using US terminology. Please refer to the description below for translation to UK. This video will cover decreases of single crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet. It doesn't matter what hook and yarn you are using for practice. If you are a beginner, a 4mm hook and 8-ply yarn is probably easiest, but whatever you have on hand or matching the pattern you're using. We begin as always with single crochet as it is the simplest. To begin, insert the hook to the next stitch. Loop over and pull through. Now insert the hook into the next stitch. Loop over and pull through. Loop over and pull through to the end. Well done, that is a single crochet decrease. You have effectively used 2 stitches to make 1. Now for the next stitch, insert the hook in the next unused stitch, yarn over, pull through, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through to finish. You will probably start experiencing it bunching up if you're doing this on the single row. Decreases can be tricky for maintaining tension, that is, for making the size consistent throughout. Particularly when finishing off a 3D shape, it will try to keep holes or gaps between. Look up invisible crochet decreases if you are finding this happening on future projects. It is not as problematic on things like beanies or shawls, however plushies are a common problematic project. This is referred to as SCDec in written patterns, or SC2TOG. As we complete these, you will find the row you're working on becoming shorter. You can counter this by doing some increases between as needed, or undoing and redoing the stitches. Next, we will cover a double crochet decrease, which is creating half a double crochet in one stitch, then another in the next, finishing them together. We start by looping yarn over the hook, insert in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next available stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remainder. Well done, you have done a double crochet decrease. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remainder. This is a DCDec or a DC2TOG in written patterns. If you're enjoying this video and feel you've learned something from it, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I won't be doing many of these types of videos, but I wanted them to support an upcoming project that will be using these stitches heavily. Last of all is a half double crochet decrease, which is starting a half double crochet in one stitch, then another in the next, finishing them together. We start by looping the yarn over the hook, insert in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert the hook in the next available stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all. Well done, you have done a half double crochet decrease. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert to the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all. This is a HDCDec or a HDC2 tog in written patterns. Single crochet 3 decrease, or SC3 tog, begins by insert the hook into the next unused stitch, yarn over, pull through, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all to finish. You might find it gets caught along the way. Be careful of your tension that you're not too tight, or try turning your hook when it gets caught to release and move to the next one. Next, we'll cover a double crochet 3 decrease or a DC3 tog. We begin with a yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remainder. And that is a DC3 decrease. And the final stitch for this video is a half double crochet 3 increase, or HDC3 tog, which begins with yarn over, insert to the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert the hook in the next available stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert the hook in the next available stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all remainder. Of course, the more stitches you're reducing at once, the trickier it is to keep tension and not leave holes. It can also cause problems with pulling the hook through when more loops are on it, but turning the hook and not holding the stitches too tightly should help with that. If you have any questions or suggestions on future videos, please drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and try my best to help where possible. Have a lovely day.